Hi, so today I am doing an unboxing. My friend from Korea, her name is June. Hi June. She sent me a parcel 2 weeks ago and it already arrived, so I'm excited to open it. So let's just have a look. Ugh. This is the parcel. Oh my god, it's an international parcel. Okay, so it's very taped up. Okay, well I can see a gap here, so let's just open it like this. Oh, why is it so difficult? Oh, it's here! Really cutting the box. Ugh. Okay. Oh my god, it's taped inside too. Wow, June, you packed this really well. Well, at least everything's secure. Oh my god, I can see that! Oh my god, June! Oh, this is so cute! Oh my god! Oh my god, there's extra stuff. Garlic butter taste. Oh, got some Korean pretzels. Oh. Oh my god, more snacks. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, the Starbucks Sakura little tote bag. Oh, why is it so much cuter than in England? Everything's just cuter in Asia. Oh my god. Ah! Oh. Oh. Oh my god. What's this? Why are there two things? Look at this. It's so cute. Oh my god, it's packaged again. Wow, look at the Starbucks packaging. It's so nice. Oh, and then it's the tissue paper. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, June. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, thank you, June. Thank you. Wait, I think there were straws here as well. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you, look at that. Starbucks lemon cup. Oh, it's so cute. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh, and there's another straw. Oh, this one. So in Asia, in Korea, they release like a cherry blossom collection for Starbucks, which we don't have here in the UK. So she asked me if I wanted anything, and she sent this one over. I was meant to go to Korea in March, but because of the whole situation, I wasn't able to. So she decided to send it over because she said otherwise I'll probably get it like in the winter, so it's not time to use it. And I said, oh, it's okay, but she was like, no, I'm gonna send it to you. So thank you, June. So this is oh, it's beautiful. Oh my god, look at that. Wow. Oh, and then you put the straw in. Did I put the straw? Yeah. Oh, this one. Ah, look at that. I'm so happy. Oh my god, thank you so much, Jude. You're honestly so sweet. Like she said, I'm gonna send it to you, and then she sent it that same day. I was like, oh my god, wow. It arrived so quickly as well. It was meant to take over like a month, but oh you even get like a carrier for it. Like, what? We don't get that in England. Wow, that's so cool. And then there are snacks as well. Oh, thank you. I've never seen these, so I don't even know what these are. Well, they even say pretzels, but this is chocolate. But it looks like cereal, but I don't think it's cereal. Thank you. Wow, this crazy girl. This girl. So I worked with her together. We worked together, and that's how we met. And then she was just always like full of energy, and I remember her sitting down at the table and she was just doing the really long paperwork, and yeah, and then she started, and it was like she's been working at the company for years, and yeah, her energy is so contagious and it's so good, and it's just such a shame that she had to go back. But June, I hope that you come back soon, and I hope you get everything sorted out so that we can, party in London and do other things. But thank you so much for this. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Yeah, like this is probably more like a video for June, but hi everyone else that's watching this. My manager gifted me this one as well recently, so I have 3 ice cups. Oh, what's the volume of this? This is huge. 710 milliliters. And this one? Oh, 700. Apparently these are the same volume. Really? Oh. Okay. Why don't we get things like this in England? Look at the bows. Like look at the packaging. It's so much more pleasant to buy, you know? Oh wait. Oh, June! Oh, thank you! This is so cute, I want to cry. Oh. So I had to switch to my phone because my camera started to overheat. I will use these very well.